just arrived at the KOA West Des Moines. I think it's about, let's see, what time is it? Midnight? Not really the best planning on my part, but we're here, and it'll shorten up the drive tomorrow anyways, but kind of ridiculous, I guess, arriving at a campsite at midnight, but that's what you do when you leave work. Alright, good night. Alright, we finally made it to Frisco. It was quite the ordeal. Really long driving day. We had 10.5-hour drive day according to Google. That didn't include stopping time for gas, for food, and also it didn't include the huge delay back up from Denver to the Eisenhower Tunnel, so that was an extra 2-hour delay. So anyways, we're here now. It's dark outside. We're just going to eat dinner and then head to bed. And then tomorrow morning we'll see if we can enjoy the campground a little bit before we head off to Bryce Canyon.
Yep. Awesome.
Good morning from Frisco, Colorado. Beautiful campground, Peak One Campground. And we're planning on driving about 6 hours today, headed to just south of Bryce Canyon to the Cannonville Bryce Valley KOA. Just looking at the drive, looked like it was Google was kind of routing us through an interesting way, and I've heard some people talk about how that Highway 12 may be a little bit challenging. I kind of wanted to try it, but I think just given the wanting to get there a little bit quicker, and then we can decide if we want to go back that route. So we're going to go I-70 south to 89 and then Highway 12 past Bryce Canyon to the KOA. And then the plan is to hopefully get a campsite at Bryce Canyon Sunday through Wednesday. That's the plan.